All right, hi, and welcome back again, Attorney Steve Vondran. In this video, we are talking about administrative hearings with the California Bureau of Real Estate, the BRE, how to serve a subpoena on one of the employees of the BRE. So, say you're involved and you get an accusation, or maybe you get a statement of issues wanting to deny you a real estate license in the state of California. You may find yourself saying, well, there's somebody else at the department that has the evidence. I talked to this person. I told them about it. I did this. I did that. And one of the ways that you can get them to a hearing, that person that has the information, or maybe they even have some notes that they took, is to send them a subpoena. So here's all you need to do to basically issue a subpoena. Here's the website, dgs.ca.gov. And you just come down here to the subpoena form. It's right there. Just click on it. And here you have the form. You're going to need to, of course, fill in your name. It's a fillable box. And you can put in the California Bureau of Real Estate versus your name, the agency case number, the OAH number. And it says here the people of the state of California sends greetings to. That's the person you want to appear at the hearing. Put their information in here. And this is at the request. If you're the responding party, you're going to be putting respondent. You're going to put your name, your address, your contact information. And then you come down to section 2, where all you're doing really is saying, I want you to appear here on this date, at this place. This is the location. Let's say it's in West Los Angeles, a hearing out in Los Angeles, or, could be over in Sacramento or Oakland. But all you're going to do is, if you want them to just produce the documents that you need, then check these boxes. Just check this box and said you are not required to appear if you produce the records, okay? So you may just want them to produce the records. If you want them to show up and testify, you're going to go with this box here, the subpoena. If you want them to produce documents, you're going to do the subpoena duces tecum. Sometimes I'll just check both boxes because I want them to appear and I want them to produce documents. Okay, so we come down here, and really, as you can see, it just tells them you're required to appear, so forth and so on. Disobedience of a subpoena, obviously punished as contempt of court. Realize if you're subpoenaing a third party, like somebody outside the Bureau of Real Estate, another broker or another salesperson, you may have to pay their witness fees, and they may ask you for those fees in advance. So be cognizant of that. So other than that, the subpoena can only be issued by an attorney or by an authorizing official. That would be through the Office of Administrative Hearings. You would contact them, OAH. You would contact them and say you're representing yourself and you need to get a subpoena. So once that's issued, there's also, you also need to put your good grounds. What we call good cause exists. Why are you asking for the records? Why are you asking them to show up? This person was a witness to the facts, or this person has pertinent documents relevant to the case. And of course, you just put here when it was executed, on what day, where at. And as you see here, declaration under penalty of perjury. Sign it, and there you have it. Now, these subpoenas need to be served, and the generally accepted way to do this is what we call personal service. So, in other words, you may hire a carrier, a legal messenger, and have somebody go out there and personally serve it on the person. Sometimes if you're dealing with an attorney from the Bureau of Real Estate, you can ask them if they will accept email service in lieu of personal service. That's another way to do it. Just ask them if they'll accept personal service. So other than that, you need to get this subpoena served. You need to put your name and information down here when you served it, and whoever served it would be signing that as the declarant. So that's really all there is to it about a subpoena. If you need to get a witness to your case to help you defend your case or help you get your license, that's some general legal information only, not legal advice or a substitute for legal advice. Attorney Steve Vondran. If you need more information, you can find us on the web at attorneysteve.com. We'll talk to you again. Have a great day.